Hello guys, I'm Christian James Sapno. I'm here at Lubao, Pampanga and I'm here to visit Museo at Aklatan ni Diosdado Macapagal. Let's go!
Diosdado Macapagal was the 9th President of the Philippines, 1961 to 1965. Known for his economic reforms like devaluing the peso and a significant land reform law, the Agricultural Land Reform Code of 1963. He also changed the celebration of Philippine Independence Day from July 4 to June 12 to commemorate the 1898 Declaration from Spain. Previously a lawyer and a congressman from Pampanga, he served as Vice President from 1957 to 1961 before defeating President Carlos P. Garcia in the 1961 election. Artifacts related to President Diosdado Macapagal, life and presidency are primarily housed in the NACP, Museo at Aklatan ni Diosdado Macapagal, Diosdado Macapagal Museum and Library in Lubao, Pampanga, and include personal memorabilia, art and historical documents. Cultural displays dedicated to President Diosdado Macapagal primarily focus on his humble origins, educational achievements, and presidential legacy, and are centered at the NACP Museo at Aklatan ni Diosdado Macapagal in Lubao, Pampanga. Dito naman ang office niya ng dating presidente na si Diosdado Macapagal.
Once again, I'm Christian James Sapno. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating vlog or mini vlog. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating tour for today. And thank you for watching.